Hello everyone, the topic of today's video is signing up for all Devcon side events in a matter of minutes. I'm going to show you how I did this, and this is how my calendar looks like right now. Just the 4 main days of the Devcon since Monday to Thursday. I have some events like last week, I have some events next week. It's very simple, and the best thing about this calendar is that it's full of different side events. I need to go and choose where I'm gonna go, but I haven't spent a single minute signing up and filling out Luma attendees. There is a tool that I found on the market that would allow you to automatically sign up for all of these side events. It's like an AI bot that you just type in your information to, you pay a small fee for the processing, and in 24 hours you have a list full of this, and you just see the invitations flying into your Gmail. So if you're wondering how to do it like this, I'm going to be sharing the tool publicly with all Web3 Sales Gym subscribers in the community. The first link is in the description. It's a Telegram community for Web3 and sales and BD and marketing people that are interested in growing in Web3. So if you want to learn about things like that, that's going to be exclusively for our subscribers. See you guys. Bye-bye.